Mr. Speaker, border transport has become an important sector in our economy. It is one of the largest employers of our youth and also provides cheap and convenient transport for Kenya. Despite the above benefits, Mr. Speaker, this mode of transport has proven to be very risky to riders, passengers, and even pedestrians. Further, Mr. Speaker, there are accident victims who are mostly from the lower cadre of our society are left to seek financial assistance for treatment from friends and relatives since these borders are not insured. In order to mitigate against this risk, Mr. Speaker, I propose the insurance motor vehicle third-party risk certificate of insurance rules to require all passengers carrying borders and tuk-tuks to have an insurance cover for passengers and pedestrians.